Hello, friends. I am Ammu, and on Ammu and You, I have got a very lovely story to narrate to you. An amazing orchestra. What is an orchestra? Where you have many musical instruments playing to a beautiful melodious tune. So let's hear the story An Amazing Orchestra. Once a poor widow lived in a village. She had a son who was very foolish. His name was Tom. They were so poor that they did not have money to even buy food for themselves. So one day his mother told him, Tom, go to the market and sell one of our cows and bring me the money so that I can buy some food for both of us. All right, mother, said Tom, happily. He had to go to the market. Next day, he took the cow to the market. As he entered the market, he saw a huge crowd gathered at a place. Tom also went to peep what was happening, and he was surprised to see a bee playing a harp and a cockroach and a mouse dancing to the music. Soon everyone there was watching the show, and in fact, they were so happily clapping to the dance. The music stopped only when the magician put the strange creatures inside the bag that he was carrying. After this, the crowd dispersed. Tom was watching the magician in amazement. Just then, the magician asked him, Young man, do you want them? He was showing him the creatures. No, I don't have any money to buy them, replied Tom. But you have a wonderful cow. You can exchange it with my bee and the harp, said the magician. No, I cannot do that. Mother had asked me to sell it and bring her the money, replied Tom. Believe me, young man, your mother will be delighted to see them, the magician tried to convince him. So Tom exchanged his cow for the bee and the harp. When Tom reached home, he showed the bee and the harp to his mother. Look, mother, what amazing creatures I have brought for you. His mother was surprised to see the bee playing a harp. They began to dance to the music. Suddenly, his mother asked, How much money did you get for the cow? Mother, please don't be angry. I have exchanged it for these two creatures. What? Tom, you're such a fool. Do we eat these creatures to fill our tummy? We need money to buy food. Tomorrow you have to go again to the market to sell the other cow. And this time I want money, nothing else. Next morning, Tom took the other cow to the market. Over there, he saw the same magician displaying his tricks again. This time, a cockroach and a mouse was entertaining the crowd. The magician saw Tom and said, So you have brought another cow to sell. You can exchange the cow with these creatures. I am sure your mother will love this. No, mother will be very angry. She had warned me to not sell the cow for anything but money, said Tom. But the magician somehow persuaded foolish Tom to exchange his cow for the mouse and the cockroach. When mother saw these two creatures again, she lost her temper and asked him to leave the house at once. As Tom was strolling outside the house, his neighbor came and said, Son, you aren't going to the palace, are you? Why? You haven't heard the royal announcement. What announcement? Asked Tom curiously. The princess has been ill for the past 6 to 7 years. She is bedridden and has not laughed at all these years. Whoever cures her and makes her laugh will be married to the princess, says the announcement, the lady told him. Now Tom thought for a while. Then he collected all the 4 magical creatures that he had got from the magician and set out for the palace to try his luck. He tied all those creatures with a rope to a long stick. Carrying the stick on his shoulder, Tom walked towards the royal palace. Whoever saw Tom walking like that began to laugh, saying, "Hey, look at that funny man carrying the funny creatures." Tom thought, "I wish the princess too laughs just like these men. Then my mother will not have to become angry at me again and worry about money." Now, as Tom entered the palace, the guards could not stop laughing as well. On hearing the noise, the king and the queen came out of their room. They saw Tom approaching them with those funny things, and they started laughing as well. The princess, who was trying to sleep, was distracted by all this laughter around. She came out to see, and looking at Tom with the stick, with the creatures tied to them, she burst out laughing. Tom quickly took out the harp and gave it to the bee and whistled. The bee began to play the harp. Mouse and the cockroach began to dance to its music. And seeing this musical dance show, the princes rolled on the floor with laughter. The king and queen were very happy to see their only daughter laughing after years. Everyone around started shouting in joy. "The princess is laughing, the princess is laughing, she has been cured." And the king said to Tom, "Dear young man, thank you. You have cured my daughter from her illness. Now you can marry her." So Tom got married to the princess, and his mother could not believe what Tom had done. And they lived happily ever after. Cute story, no? So, sometimes, even though people think you are foolish, you just might not be so and can do amazing things. Please like, share, subscribe, press the bell icon, and share the story with all your friends. Thank you for listening to this story. Wait for me. I'll come back soon again with another one to narrate to you. Till then, be good, make people laugh. Bye bye.